You see this? The angle of that blade? That is what we're gonna be following today. All right, so I have here a sharpening puck. You can find these on Amazon for pretty cheap. Basically, you have a coarse side and a smooth side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the coarse side of the puck, and following that angle that I showed you at the very beginning, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna work in a circular motion and work our way up and down the blade. It is very important to do an equal amount of work on both sides of the blade. So I went up and down once on this side, so I'm gonna need to rotate this and do the same thing on this side. If you don't do an equal amount of work on both sides of the blade, what's going to happen is you're going to slowly push the metal to the left or the right, and you're gonna get this weird like mushroom or like kind of a wave look, and it's really gonna reduce your cutting power because you're not gonna have that edge on the end of the blade. You're just gonna have like this weird curve of metal. All right, after you've done a pass or two on each side, we're gonna switch to the low grit side of the puck, and we're gonna do the same thing, just a pass or two of small circular motions going up and down the blade. Just remember, however much you do on one side, you need to do the other. All right, now at this point, you should be done. Something I can't stand on YouTube is when you click on an instructional video, really of any kind, but you have to sit through like 30 to 60 seconds of intro, and then you have to sit through them explaining what the video is gonna be about, even though that's information we should already have because it's likely in the title. Can't stand that. Now, if you notice, I didn't do that. Just straight, right to the point, you get what you came for. Surely that is worth a little subscribe. Maybe just a like, something. If you are new here, my name is Isaac. This is Fort in the Woods. This channel is all about being outside, just having a good time and building stuff. If that sounds like your kind of thing, I think you'll enjoy it here. If you want this same puck, I have put an Amazon link down below so you can pick one up and try it out for yourself if you like.